Hey man, back again with another ship for you. This one's gonna ship out tomorrow and hopefully get to you by the beginning of next week. Just a couple little things on this one. So it's on the same magnet system as I believe one of the other ones that you purchased. It was the maybe the bomber that had the two different wings on it, and you may have had another one like this as well. So they have the big magnets inside where these can actually come off. The engines can come off, but I'm going to ship it with them on. They do have both bombs, bomb on this side, and then bomb on the other side, right under there. And the bad news is I think I must have used. It's got the screen on the front too. Bad news is I think I used the front cannon on another ship that I already sold. Good news is I did, the magnet is under there, so it does attach. And I have a spare cannon that I'm currently painting right now. That'll be ready to go tomorrow before I send it out to you. So it'll be good to go by tomorrow. I'll get it out in the mail. And also this one, like the others, comes with the radar dish that does come off. It comes off there too, and it turns 360 degrees. Got the landing gear. Everything's squared away and ready to go, man. This one's a really cool one. Hope you enjoy it. And as always, man, if you need anything, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.